Good morning, Dynojet. So here my motorcycles, okay, has been some problem in the CU. I don't know why. Maybe because the last update the Dynojet had have done. So what's happened now? The motorcycle is run really perfect. Can see turn on perfect. The fuel pump turn off, turn on. The vents it's okay. All right. I can start normal. Okay. But when I try to do some load some maps, let's see. I'll do some map now. Load some map. Look at that. Okay. Well, you can see everything is okay, right? This map from the Dynojet site and the Power Vision Wind PV have done some updates. All right, look at that. Let's go. Is this map on? All right, let's do it. I already have done like the checking in quick turn, something like that. Check if the tags have. Okay, let's see. Right. So I already checked like the previous email, like the quick turn, and the problem continued the same. Let's see. Start the seal. Oh, look at that. After the update, ask for 10 seconds turn off, but you can hear the fuel pump is already on. All right, I'll turn off 10 seconds. Okay, turn on again. Look. Always this way. The only way to return when I do the restore in the Power Vision. I need to do now because it's not run. Restore. Then the motorcycle come back like a run normally, like before. I change the maps, I try to do something. All these strange things, like these arrows, start after the update. The last update, the Power Vision YPVD, the Power Vision Advice or whatever. And I use to the target done. So I wanna know what I can do, what is possible to do to fix this. Oh, look at that. The battery is the fuel pump is on. Oh, look. Oh, stop. Come back on. Original, come back normal. Ten seconds again, just to see what's happened. Oh, normal. The vents off, the pump is off too. So, motorcycle, perfect. Here's the question: what to do? How to fix this?